Hi everyone. This is reviewing Samsam and Adam. Let's review. Let's look again at lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this video, we will review lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, review is not the same as repeat. We will learn a little more about Samsam and her family, and we will read sentences that are a little more complicated. And I will introduce words like because, and, but. These words can add detail and help you communicate more information. Because and but. Why? Because. Are you ready to review? Let's review. This is Lesson 1 Review. This is Samsam. That man is her dad. His name is Adam. Where are they from? Samsam and Adam are from Somalia. And do you see the word "and" is red? Words like "and," "but," and "because" will be in red at the bottom. Samsam and Adam are from Somalia. Somalia is in East Africa. They speak Arabic and Somali. Where do they live now? They live in the United States now. They live on the West Coast in Washington State. Adam is glad. Adam is happy. Samsam is not glad. She is sad. Why is Adam happy in the United States? Adam is happy because he can speak English. He says, "Hello, my name is Adam." Adam is happy because he can drive a car and he has a good job. Adam is happy in the United States because he can understand English. He says, "I like to watch the news in English." Do you like to watch the news? Why is Samsam sad in the United States? Samsam is sad because she cannot speak English. She says, "Oh no! No English!" Samsam is sad because she misses her family. Her family is in Somalia. They are not with Samsam. Let's look at this picture. She says, I miss my brothers. How many brothers do you see? 1, 2. Samsam says, I miss my sister. How many sisters do you see? 1. And then, of course, Samsam on the left. Samsam is sad because she misses her family. She says, I miss my mother. I miss my husband. That's really difficult. Samsam doesn't have a job. She thinks, I need a job. Why does she need money? She wants her family to come to the United States, but she needs money. Samsam says, what can I do to learn English? Can or cannot? She can learn alone, or she cannot learn alone. She cannot learn alone. For beginning students, it can be very difficult to learn independently, to learn alone. For students like Adam, students who are intermediate and advanced, it is more easy to study and learn English alone. For Samsam, I think it will be too difficult. Can or cannot? She can go to class, or she cannot go to class. She can go to class. Lesson 2 review. 1 month ago. 1 month in the past. Last month. Samsam wants to learn English at a school. She talked to her neighbor, Carmen. Samsam says, can you help me? Carmen says, yes, I can. Carmen knows a school, but it is far. Carmen says, I have a car and I can give you a ride. Samsam says, thank you, Carmen. Lesson 3 review. 1 week ago. 1 week in the past. Last week. Last week, Samsam and Adam got a ride to school from Carmen. It's very nice of her. Thanks for the ride, Carmen, says Adam. Yeah, thanks so much, says Samsam. They signed in at the front desk. They told the 2 men their information. The men gave them a pen and they signed their names. Next, they took an English test, and the test was very hard. Samsam did her best on the test, and Adam did very well on the test. Samsam wants to know, when can we start class? She is ready. They can start class next week. Can or cannot? Can or cannot? She can walk to school because the school is far, or she cannot walk to school because the school is far. Cannot. She cannot walk to school because the school is far. Can or cannot. She can take the bus to school, but she needs money, or she cannot take the bus to school, but she needs money. Can. She can take the bus to school. She is able to take the bus, but she needs money. Can or cannot. They can get a ride to school from a friend, or they cannot get a ride to school from a friend. Can. They can get a ride to school from a friend. Lesson 4 review. This morning at 6 o'clock. It is Monday, and today is her first day of class. She quickly fixed breakfast. Then they ate and they drank their milk together. They ate and they drank their milk together. She picked up their dishes and washed them in the sink. She picked up their dishes and washed them in the sink. Carmen, their neighbor, rang the doorbell. Ding dong. Samsam yells to Adam because she wants to be on time for class. It's 7:30! Let's go! Samsam wonders, will we be on time for English class? Lesson 5 review. This morning at 7:30 a.m. They get in Carmen's car. They wear seatbelts. For safety, of course. 1, 2, 3. Everyone wears a seatbelt. They are going to school. Carmen plays the radio in the car. There isn't much traffic. Samsam is excited for class. It is a good drive. They arrive at the school. Carmen parks in the parking lot. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Samsam wonders, where is my English class? Let's take a look at those 3 words I introduced before. And. And we use for more than one. And. Samsam and Adam. 2 people. Carmen and Samsam. 2 women. Samsam and Adam are from Somalia. They speak Arabic and Somali, 2 languages. The men give them a pen and they signed their names. We have 2 actions. Next, they took an English test, and the test was very hard. It is Monday, and today is her first day of class. Let's look at this word, but. We use but when things are different, or when we want to contrast 2 or more ideas. So, example, soda. I like soda, but it has too much sugar. She wants to help her family to come to the United States, but she needs money. She can take the bus to school, but she needs money. Carmen knows a school, but it is far. Because. Because is the reason. Often we see with the question, why? Why? Because. Why is Adam happy? Adam is happy because he can drive a car and he has a good job. Why is Samsam sad? Samsam is sad because she misses her family. Why can't she walk to school? She cannot walk to school because the school is far. Why? Because. Okay. Next week, we will see Lesson 6. In the next story, Samsam tries to find her class, but she gets lost. So, we will see her try to find her class next week. Thanks for reading with me. Have a wonderful afternoon. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you for Lesson 6. Bye.